Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create OnlyFans content with AI. So let's get started. To begin with, AI can be a game changer for creating engaging content on OnlyFans, whether it's for photos, videos, or written posts. You can use AI to generate high quality images, videos, and even manage your messaging or marketing. The best part is, it's all possible from your laptop without any advanced skill required. For creating visual content, platforms like DALL or MidJourney can help you generate images that align with your needs. If you are focusing on videos, AI video editing tools like Synthesia can create personalized content. Additionally, AI writing assistants like ChatGPT can help craft engaging captions and posts for your audience. AI also comes in handy for scheduling and automating your posts, which saves time and ensures you stay consistent. Tools like Hootsuite or Buffer allow you to plan your content calendar, while AI chatbots can even help with customer interaction, ensuring you keep your followers engaged. And that's it. Now you know how to create OnlyFans content with AI. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.